हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं सरोजनी मेरे दोस्त के साथ। मेरे को सरोजनी बहुत समय से जाना था पर मैं जा नहीं पाई क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्यों नहीं जा पाई। पर यार बेसिकली मैं जा नहीं पाई हूँ आज तक कभी सरोजनी। आई हैव नेवर बिन टू सरोजनी एंड आई हैव हर्ड अ लॉट अबाउट सरोजनी एंड आई वांट टू गो एंड सी व्हाट्स इट ऑल अबाउट. So I was discussing this with my friend and he was like, I'll take you to Sarojini, it's not a big deal, it's near my home. So we'll go Sarojini and we'll shop. I was like, really? You'll take me? Because I need someone to go with. I cannot go alone anywhere. So yeah, today we'll go to Sarojini, we'll explore, we'll shop a lot. I want to shop two particular items. Okay, one is a trench coat and other one is a fur coat. Because they are very trendy right now. Not even trendy, I find them very it girl coded. I want to be that it girl, so I will be buying that thing. But I don't know how much and what to expect. देखो, my friend has been there पहले भी, ठीक है, उसका पहला टाइम नहीं है पर it is my पहला टाइम and I'm not that great at bargaining, but I'm okayish. अगर मैं अपनी मम्मी के साथ जा रही होती तो My mother is very great at bargaining, but I'm not. I'm okay. अगर कोई चीज़ 200 की है तो मैं उसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 150 तक ला सकती हूँ, पर अगर कोई चीज़ 200 की है तो मेरी मम्मी उसे 50 में ला सकती है. तो इतना अंतर है. तो सरोजनी में बार्गेनिंग स्किल्स चाहिए होती है, तो मैंने मम्मी से फ़ोन मिला के 1-2 सीख लिए कि क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं, पर तब भी इट्स ओके. विल सी एंड वी विल शॉप अ लॉट. आई वॉन्ट टू शॉप अ लॉट. ओके, I want to go to every shop and see what they have. I will probably do a haul or something after that, what all I got from Sarojini. But in this video, I'll just take you to Sarojini and give you a little of my experience. Okay? So yeah, let's go to Sarojini now. Hello. What's your name?
So hi, my name is Aryan.
हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
We are going Sarojini. It's gonna be fun.
We go Sarojini finally. Bhai, I have not been there ever.
I've been there like twice or thrice only, and a lot of my friends suggested me the place. It's gonna be super fun.
Yeah.
Well, we had cookie in the middle. You'll see the clip.
That was nice.
Good morning, guys. So today, me and Vaishnavi are here for like cookies. So we are trying red velvet cookie and chocolate. Something in the chocolate. We'll let you know. It's very tasty and very yummy. I have tried it many a times. It's her first time.
Yeah.
She'll like her too. Sure. And we are like looking homeless and curious.
I'm not looking homeless. I'm looking nice.
Well, I do a little bit. And say hello, guys. Good morning. Yeah. Yay.
मेट्रो पे पहुंच गए. कितनी मेट्रो बदलनी पड़ती है मेरे को नहीं पता. Too much. If I ever come to a metro station alone,
She'll get lost.
I'm definitely like getting lost.
Yeah.
Because I don't know where to go, how to go.
And I don't know when this vlog is gonna come, but we're gonna be waiting and rooting for her.
It will come
Okay,
in 2026.
guys, behave. Chalo, comment down good for her. Yes.
Bye bye.
A few moments
हम
later.
चढ़ गए हैं. मैं बैठी हुई हूँ, इसे मैंने खड़ा कर दिया है. मी
Hi guys, what's up?
भाई सीट ही नहीं मिल रही है भाई. बहुत बिजी है, सब पता नहीं कहाँ जा रहा है. मुझे नहीं पता. 11:30 बजे कहाँ जाना है लोगों को. ओल्ड वेंसडे को. नो आइडिया. फुल है पूरा.
Guys, always remember one thing: do not dream of labor. Never in your life.
What? क्या किया जाता है? कभी कभी समझ में नहीं आता, अक्सर समझ में आ जाता है.
कृपया ट्रेन और प्लेटफॉर्म के बीच की दूरी का ध्यान रखें.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
सब आ गए. तो मेट्रो से उतर गए और यहाँ पे इतने सारे लोग ऑलरेडी हैं. मुझे लगा था 11:30 बजे भीड़ नहीं होगी, पर apparently
Exactly at 11:30. We thought there will be no rush,
yeah,
but I am.
there is rush and people are there. अभी मेन मार्केट नहीं गए हैं, अभी तो मेट्रो से ही उतरे हैं और इतनी भीड़ है और मुझे इतनी सारी चीज़ें अच्छी लग रही है. पता नहीं क्या.
Hi guys, so we are again back here. Like I am not. This is like my first time. Your first time,
My
right?
first time.
Sorry, it's her first time. And
My first time, guys.
Yeah,
One
so it's
moment.
the iconic street of Sarojini Market, and we are here.
The boat and things.
Yeah, quite good.
There is just too much bheed even on a Wednesday, but we got so much stuff. We have so much stuff with us right now. We have shopped so much. See.
सपनों में
नहीं चाहिए भैया,
सपनों वाले
यहाँ लोग कुछ भी बेचते रहते हैं, कैसे भी बेचते रहते हैं, करना ही नहीं है भैया, ऑलरेडी फेल है. Yeah, you gotta be really careful over here. You know, you can get your purse snatched and stuff. There's Aryan. There is Aryan. He's fucking tired. I'm fucking tired. It's just too much. But I had a nice day. अब हम Aryan से सुनेंगे. How does he feel? Aryan, how does you feel? How are you feeling?
Guys, whole bag is hers. I'm just being her.
And I also have some in hand. I had so much shopping. I got such a good jacket. I cannot tell you about it. I'll show you. I'll do a haul what all I got from here. Okay, it's crazy. Now we are going back because I have to go somewhere else for something. So we are leaving पहले. हमने सारा सामान ले लिया है और हम यहाँ खड़े होके बंटवारा कर रहे हैं कि किसका क्या सामान है. माय सामान, हिज सामान. इसने KFC का बैग लिया है सामान रखने के लिए. He just want to be cool about it.
No, I just don't want plastic waste.
I've got so much stuff, too much stuff, and I love it. I love every single piece of it, and it is so pretty. Now we'll go home. I might do a haul of this when I reach home. Okay? हम मेट्रो स्टेशन पे आ गए हैं. मेरी मेट्रो इधर आएगी, आयरन की मेट्रो इधर आएगी, तो हम बीच में अगली मेट्रो का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. इतने में ये देखिए हमारे कूल किड. हाय कूल किड.
What's up, guys?
Yeah.
So we are back. We have our
This guy is so tired. This is so tired, but I still have so much energy. I can go on and on. It was so fun, like too fun. We are shooting two perspective. He'll give you his perspective on his phone. Okay, but yeah, I have so very good articles, like so many good articles. I will went. Okay, see my fit.
guys. We are back.
Hi, Kulish.
What's up, guys? What's up? So we are back. We have our KFC. We're done with a bit of shopping, and now we are tired. That's my cue to go. That's Vaishnavi's cue to go. It was tiring. It was fun. Will we do it again? Yes, we can. When? I have no idea. Only she can tell you when to do. That's
I will went.
That's
okay?
her.
See my fit.
yeah. Only she can tell what to do, when to do. I am dead tired. I just want to go home, sleep.
मैं मेट्रो में बैठ गई हूँ. आयरन को मैंने स्टेशन पे छोड़ दिया and I'm very happy about it.
Passengers can book.
I think it will take me about 30 minutes to reach home. Then I have to take a auto from there to reach home. मतलब स्टेशन पहुँचने में 30 मिनट लगेंगे और फिर 20 मिनट घर पहुँचने लगेंगे. तो 4 बजे तक मैं घर पहुँच जानी चाहिए. मैं मेट्रो स्टेशन पे आ गई हूँ. It was such a fun trip. It's finally over. अब मैं घर जाऊँगी. I am so tired. I just have to figure out किस साइड से उतरना है क्योंकि उसमें I am not quite sure yet. Bye. Love you for seeing. Cha-cha.